Right, we got mail and we got more mail. This came by FedEx and this came in the post. So it's mail time and it is Lego haul time. And this here is the replacement part. A 1x2 replacement part. It's not very much to it. All of that. Come all the way from Denmark for Lego for the 1x2 tile, well, not tile, 1x2 plate. Actually, that was the wrong piece given to me in the roller coaster set. They gave me a 1x2 tile instead of a 1x2 plate, and so I put in for the correct part so it won't fall apart on me. So that is that one, and now I'm just going to crack open this box. This came just to the door by FedEx. It's a big box, and in it we have more Lego. And there's a surprise. I totally forgot about that. Ooh, the free gift of trees. And I had ordered the Mulan's Training Day, and also the Harry Potter Aragog's Lair. So that was what came today. And I've got 2 yellow stickers. I have a green and a red now, so all I need is the blue. So that's pretty cool. So that's today's haul. Right there in a nutshell, or in a box, I guess you could say. And 1 replacement part. And that's it. And now it's time for the haul. So I was at Walmart and I found 4 containers for lockers, school lockers, that's going to work perfect for my storage. I got a red, and I got a blue, and 2 greens. I also found all the Harry Potter minifigures series, and I picked up 19 of these, and also a box of bricks for $5. These are the Block Tech bricks of purple, and we needed some purple, so hopefully they will work out for us. Now I'm dying to open these Harry Potter figures and see what we got. I went through all the bump codes and got the different ones that I could think that they were different at least. And, well, I thought they were. And we'll go from there on them. And we'll do a video on that very shortly. In the meantime, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I will talk to you guys again shortly. Thanks for watching.